This tiny gadget claims to offer a unique input experience, but does it actually deliver? We're looking at the CDMXMVUR PCS009 LCA250 LCA640 membrane switch keyboard buttons, also known as the LCA640 keypad. Straight out of the box, the first thing you notice is its simplicity. It's a single-color unit, which might not be for everyone, but it keeps the focus on functionality. The brand, CDMXMVUR, isn't one you see every day, but they've put together something that feels surprisingly robust for what it is. The core of this product is its membrane switch technology. Unlike traditional mechanical keyboards, these are flat, touch-sensitive pads. This means no clicky sounds, no tactile bumps, just a smooth surface that registers your press. For certain applications, this can be a real advantage. Think about environments where noise is an issue, or where you need a surface that's easy to clean. This keypad fits that bill perfectly. The LCA640 designation seems to refer to this specific keypad model, and it's designed to be a straightforward input device. In terms of performance, the touchpads are responsive. There's a slight give when you press down, and the actuation is quick. We found it to be quite accurate for its intended purpose, which appears to be more about simple command inputs rather than extensive typing. It's not going to replace your primary typing keyboard, that's for sure. The lack of individual keycaps means you're not going to be doing any touch typing here. However, for navigating menus, triggering specific functions, or as part of a custom control panel, it performs admirably. The build quality feels solid. There's no flex or creaking when you handle it, suggesting it's built to last. The single-color design, while basic, contributes to a clean aesthetic that could blend into various setups. It's a no-frills approach that prioritizes function over flash. Overall, the CDMXMVUR LCA640 membrane switch keyboard buttons are a competent and surprisingly well-built input solution for specific needs. If you're looking for a quiet, durable, and responsive touch-based keypad for simple commands or specialized setups, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.